Hi everyone, this is part 2 of my planting series. Right now I'm putting in the Japanese snowball, planting this in the pot, and I have a lot of dirt down here that I'm reusing from last year. And this one over here is a hydrangea. These are both bushes. So I'll show you as I plant them and where I'm going to locate them. Now these two are done, so I'm going to water them well. Give them lots of water. I'll probably put more dirt on here too. And this one, these are the two bushes I just planted up. And I'm trying to make like a little brick area here for my container garden this year, right next to the hose. These came up from last year. You know what? I don't remember what they were, but we'll find out. Okay, now I'm potting up the dahlias. We got the dahlia border mix right here. Always put the eye of the tuber up. I put 2 in here. I got to use what I have with my pots. And then I got the other dahlia cream decasses. This is a bigger one. I just put 1 in here. Put the eye up. And I'm going to cover this. There's directions also on the container it comes in. So we'll fill this up. It's already starting to grow there. Put some dirt on this one. Fill this up as high as I can. Now I have more dirt when I take it outside. And there's some here. Put this down. Fill this up. Okay, and I'll take it out next to my other containers out here. Okay, I brought my dahlias out here, my other containers, filled it up more, and now I'm watering it well until the root system gets established. Of course, when it's extra hot out, you want to always keep water and everything so they'll grow better. Okay, this is part 2. My next video will be part 3. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.